To send Bitcoin through GCash, you first need to have a GCash account and a Bitcoin wallet. Start by opening your GCash mobile application and logging into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the investment or cryptocurrency section, depending on the GCash application layout. In this section, you will find the option to buy, sell or send Bitcoin. Click on the Send Bitcoin option and you will be prompted to enter the recipient's Bitcoin address. This address is usually a long string of alphanumeric characters and it is case sensitive. So make sure to copy and paste it correctly to avoid any errors. After entering the recipient's Bitcoin address, you will need to specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. You can choose to send a specific amount of Bitcoin or the equivalent of a certain amount of Philippine pesos. Be sure to check the current Bitcoin exchange rate before making the transaction to ensure you are sending the correct amount. Before confirming the transaction, make sure to review all the details, including the recipient's address and the amount of Bitcoin being sent. Also, check the transaction fee, which is usually a small percentage of the total amount being sent. Once you have reviewed all the details, confirm the transaction and the Bitcoin will be sent to the recipient's wallet. The transaction may take a few minutes to be processed, depending on the Bitcoin network congestion. It is also important to note that sending Bitcoin through GCash may have some limitations, such as daily transaction limits and minimum send amounts. Be sure to check the GCash website or mobile application for the most up-to-date information on these limits. In addition, it is always a good practice to enable two-factor authentication on your GCash account to add an extra layer of security to your transactions. This will help protect your account from unauthorized access and ensure that your Bitcoin transactions are secure. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely and securely send Bitcoin through GCash.